In today's video, I want to show you how to hide your following list on TikTok. To hide your following list on TikTok, it's very simple. The first thing you want to do, you want to log into your TikTok account. So let's open up the TikTok app. So once you open up the TikTok app, it will take you to the TikTok homepage. So once you get to the TikTok homepage, if you check the bottom right corner, you're going to see the profile icon over there. I want you to tap on that profile icon. So once you tap on that profile icon, it will take you to your profile on TikTok. So once you are in your profile on TikTok, I want you to check the upper right corner. You're going to see 3 lines over there. I want you to tap on those 3 lines. So it will bring out a menu for you. So on this menu, I want you to tap on settings and privacy. So once you tap on settings and privacy, you just want to scroll down a little bit, continue scrolling down slowly. So scroll down. So as you can see, we have following list. You just want to tap on following list over here. So let's tap on following list. As you can see at the bottom here, my following list is set to everyone. So if I don't want anyone to see my following list, I'll just select only me. So once you select only me, your following list will be hidden from everyone on TikTok. So guys, this is how to actually hide your following list on TikTok. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.